Europe was the center.
Chalo guys, office day 123 and UPSC preparation continues.
What is the responsibility of the nations with regard to these refugees? For that, a convention was signed and adopted by the United Nations called Refugee Convention or United Nations Convention relating to the status of refugees 1951. But there was a limitation. Limitation was it only dealt with those refugees who have been deviated before 1st January 1951. So only those refugees which have got dismembered, snatched because of the disturbances in the Europe prior to 1st January 1951, this convention focused upon only those refugees and only those refugees which are in Europe. So there was a time limit, there was a space constraint. That means it is limited to the refugee crisis prior to 1st Jan 1951 and it will only deal with those refugees who are in Europe who have been displaced from Europe. And then some safeguards were provided to them. That means these refugees should not be deported back to those countries where their life is in danger. And that is what we call a very important principle under this refugee convention known as the principle of non-refoulement. And what is this principle of non-refoulement? If, for example, there is a Rohingya belonging to Myanmar and he has entered into, let's say, a country X, and X is a signatory to this United Nations Convention. Now, X cannot deport Rohingyas back to Myanmar because in Myanmar their life is in danger, their dignity is in danger. That is what we call principle of